ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଆମର ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ଏକାଡେମୀକୁ ସ୍ୱାଗତ। ଆଜିର ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ଆମେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା ଆପଣମାନେ ଥାର୍ଡ଼ ସେମିଷ୍ଟାର ସ୍କୁଲ ଇଣ୍ଟର୍ନସିପ୍ ରେକର୍ଡ଼ ମେଥଡ଼ ଅଫ୍ ଟିଚିଂ ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସ ଉପରେ। ତେଣୁ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ଭିଜିଟ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟିକୁ ଲାଇକ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ, ସେୟାର କରନ୍ତୁ, ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ ପାଖରେ ଥିବା ବେଲ୍ ଆଇକନ୍ ବଟନଟିକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ କ୍ଲିକ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଯାହାଫଳରେ ଏହିପରି ନ୍ୟୁ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ୍ ଆପଣମାନେ ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ପାଇପାରିବେ। ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ অলরেডি থার্ড সেমিস্টার ইন্টর্নশিপ রেকর্ড ম্যাথমেটিক্স जोटाकि गोटे सब्जेक्ट आपंकर मेथड सब्जेक्ट रु जो 20टी लेसन प्लान लिखा पड़ो और षष्ठ सप्तम श्रेणी पाई निज ना निज रेजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर लिखिपारे और यहीपर भाव इंडेक्स लिखे जमी इंडेक्स पिलाटी लिखी आपड़ी इंडेक्स ना इंडेक्स पेज निजे बनइबे लिखा जदि अच्छी से हिसाब से लिखे किंतु इंडेक्स टी केतବେଳେ लिखे आग आप लेसन प्लान लिखि सारा लिखे। तेणु ये अलरेडी लेसन प्लान स्टार्ट होती देखा कौन रही लेसन प्लान माइक्रो टीचिंग लेसन प्लान 1 आपण मैंने निज ना सेमती लिखे प्रिलिमिनरी इनफॉरमेशन सब्जेक्ट मैथ लिखे क्लास षष्ठ यूनिट हूँ नोइंग आवर नंबर टॉपिक हूँ फाइंडिंग द ग्रेटेस्ट एवं टाइमिंग 45 नंबर देवे एवं देखो एम्स रे लिखे अंडरस्टैंडिंग द कंटेंट स्टूडेंट्स विल अंडरस्टैंड कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ग्रेटेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट तापर स्टेप कंटेंट लिखे टीचिंग लर्निंग लिखे BW TLM यहीपर भाव लिखे एवं देखु कौन लिखाई टीचर को गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट को गुड मॉर्निंग मैम टीचर को मान लता एंड एंटर द क्लास बिहेवियर ऑन द फर्स्ट डे डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया और स्टेट डिस्कस्ड सो स्टूडेंट्स वी आर डिस्कस अबाउट द स्टूडेंट्स नंबर्स एवं टीचर वेल डिस्टेंस अनाउंस द चिल्ड्रन इज अ फर्स्ट रिलीफ सिचुएशन फॉर द ग्रेटेस्ट स्मॉलेस्ट द ब्लैकबोर्ड द टॉपिक एवं नंबर among the group of 10 lacks in the demonstrations एवं reading keywords when 2 number are given in the place of digit एवं एटसेट्रा 1000 logs greatest 1000 of lakh greatest smallest number activities understand 3848543145 एवं एठी आप लिखिबे डिस्कशन मध्ये लिखा जे जिनास विथ टीचर्स विथ द स्टूडेंट्स a few question about the topic can estimate how much they have understood the concept एवं एठी लिखला परे तापर देखि पारिबे एठी आपण माने देखुथिबे जे आहुरी संपूर्ण भाव एठी डिटेल्स दिया है कौन अच्छी ना स्टेप कंटेंट फ्यू एंड कंसोनमेंटल रिलेशन ड्यूरिंग द कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स न्यू ऑफ द सिचुएशन फ्रॉम द डेज ऑफ द रिकॉर्डेड 19 18 21 10 50 17 ग्रेट टेस्ट बाय द पीपल एंड सॉल्विंग द सॉल्यूशन 4 डेज एवं 14 to 28 एवं एग्जांपल होची इन अ वैली द नो सॉल्यूशन ऑफ मैन 740745 आर 350 नंबर ऑफ 35 3950 एवं एही परि भाव लिखि साला परे आपण देखि पारथुए TLM BW क्यों हिसाब से लिखा है से भाव में आप लिखे और ये देखो विलेज कंक्लूजन कौन लिखा है ना स्टूडेंट टुडे वी हैव टू सीन अबाउट द नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप क्वेश्चन व्हाट द आस्क द क्वेश्चन ऑफ द क्लासेस एवं विथ द नंबर कैन से द पॉपुलेशंस। तेणु ये आप देखिए माइक्रो टीचिंग लेसन प्लान 2 एवं से भाव आप निजे प्रथम देखो कौन लिखे ना प्रिलिमिनरी इनफॉरमेशन निज ना निज सब्जेक्ट मैथमेटिक्स क्लास षष्ठ सप्तम अष्टम जहाँ लिखिपारे षष्ठ सप्तम लिखे टॉपिक हो मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ भी पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स टाइम हो 45 मिनट एवं से भाव आपड़ ये एम्स लिखे अंडरस्टैंडिंग स्टूडेंट अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन एवं स्टेप्स इंट्रोडक्शन ऑब्जेक्टिव मेयर कॉन्सेप्ट ग्रूमिंग स्टूडेंट्स टीचर्स चिल्ड्रन विथ स्ट्रक्चर्स स्टूडेंट द नंबर ऑफ द व्हिच आर नोन एंड टीचर विथ द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ इंटीजर्स स्टूडेंट मल्टीप्लिकेशन अनाउंसमेंट टॉपिक डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन चिल्ड्रन आर टुडे द व्हीलचेयर डेफिनेशंस नाउ इन द टॉपिक ऑफ द सिचुएशन स्टॉक ब्लैकबोर्ड्स एवं से रीडिंग कीवर्ड्स activities understand the concept integer pattern number line multiplication number integers pattern multiplication of negative integer positive integer those will the negative and plus 2 plus 3 on the blackboard of the situation multiplication of 2 positive integer plus 2 plus 3 एवं discussion the teacher will be estimated few example of the question solution and number of convert एवं few every hung up so gets up with the copy the situations and answer the 3 into 5 into 3 into 15 now is a correct answer is the 5 into 3 plus 5 into minus 1 is equal to minus 5 mark it's okay now ever the total situation it's okay the correct it's good and a marks in the positive negative answer 10 marks then we have steps so आपण देखि पारथवे as mark gets the 3 to 7 comes so at the chain correct are the scores BBW होची कोन ना नो कन्फर्ट आंसर द मार्क एकदम 7 to 3 21 mark now the insert are the question the total mark situation of blackboard the multiplications एवं rest uniform for in the answer solution no give the 3 into 3 9 blackboard एवं mark is given them 4 into 5 total mark is filled up with the situation and conclusion the students today we have to see the multiplication of two negative positive integers in the few situations and the micro teaching lesson plan preliminary information name of the students or and subject mathematics class V triple unit integers এবং topic division position 45 minutes ସେହିପରି ଭାବରେ aims understanding the introduction and the objectives per concept with the good morning children and teacher student will till now the saw the addition of the subtraction also the B.Ed TLM students yes man which students the situation announcement the topic definition will division any of the situation is not is zero এবং ଏହିପରି ଭାବରେ ଆପଣ recognize illustration ଏବଂ division এবং যেটা হচ্ছে নন জিরো পর সিচুয়েশন ইন দ্য জেনারেটর অফ দ্য সিচুয়েশন ডিভিজন ডিভিজড বাই ইন্টিজার ব্ল্যাকবোর্ড এবং 5% ইজি ডিপেন্ডেন্ট ব্ল্যাকবোর্ড এবং ক্লিয়ার দ্য ডিভিজন ইজ দ্য হোয়েন ইউজুয়াল -2 into 1 -1 এবং it into -11 discussion the teacher will ask the students few question about estimate understand few examples as a shop on the situation or old stock in the increase of the periods of the should be 45 minutes and periods and solution a profit learned by the 45 minutes total given by -5 pro and encouraged -5 45 50 and -500 loss of the situation -50 এবং in the next month the learner of the not less than if she sold in the pencils and die the sales and sell in the situation neither at the enrollment of the less and profit is loss is now profit are announced the selling his ends loss in the pencil of the source conclusion hoche kona students are today the examples also they are the asked from the classroom micro teaching lesson plan 4 prelim information web the interesting sonali methods fraction decimal multiplications এবং এই পুরা টপিক the friends of 45 minutes এবং aims হচ্ছে কোন না understanding the content students will be able to understand the concept of multiplication এবং few example steps on the introduction the objective pre-concept of good morning student teacher students will fraction in the previous classes to do fraction B.Ed TLM announcement of the topic today we are going to precision name of the multiplication fraction demonstration reading the structure and the product of the fraction new the demonstration fraction demonstration numerators এইভাবে হার আপন লিখিবে এবং তারপর হচ্ছে activity understand the concept multiplication in the whole of the number when the multiply is the situation of the no the thus of the situation in the 2 into 1 by 4 it means suddenly 1 by 4 twice or 2 times 1 by 4 multiplication of fraction with the fraction there are the 2 times are replacement situation of the 1 by 4 fraction I mean the parts the situation of the each everything so when we are added 1 by 4 2 times on 1 4 twice into 2 into 1 by 4 এবং is equal to 1 by 4 1 by 2 blackboard math smart board or এইপরে আবার আছে এবং তারপর আছে আপনার discussions the topic and 1 by 2 1 by 4 1 by 4 is equal 1 by 8 এবং for example suppose Narendra reads 1 by 4 of the start of the novel in 1 hour what was the part of 2 and upper the solution is the part of the situation Narendra is one of the 2 by 4 5 to 1 by 2 so the narrator of the situation the is the family of persons and how many captains and where the solution what the fraction and the concept of the situation the conclusion students today we have to few examples in the proposal of the situation method plan lesson plan name of the student teacher originator subject fractions decimals numbers division of the number time hoji 45 minutes এবং এইপରି ভাବରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର understand the situation in the fraction and the concept the B.Ed of the work step introduction concept good morning children knowledge teacher students we have to knowledge multiplication of fraction the students announcement of the topic children will now the division demonstration reading the 1 by 2 keyword the received the divisible so activities of the concept of the division whole of the number of the whole of the situation is the fraction and the divided by the multiplier that is the number of the discussion 1 by 2 by 3 or 6 is a blackboard 1 by 3 in the 4 in the discussion the teacher will ask the student question about the topic can estimate how much the student and few examples and empty storing the solution is capacity plugging the 3 by 12 so pull over into conclusion student to do the fraction while there is a classroom it's a number of the 1 by 2 tens as a micro teaching lesson plan 6 was the preliminary information name of the students your name and subject the mathematics and the class bit by unit the fraction the decimal the addition of the multiplication is the number of the fraction 45 minutes এবং aims so understanding the content student will be able to understand the concept of multiplication of decimal number with a few example first step contact the teacher actively with the B.Ed and TLM B.Ed blackboard and teaching and matter it's all introduction situation of the fun so the concept of good morning the students is still now the to do additional the using of the decimal number student is ma'am it's the teacher is always a possibility to multiplication due to the using decimal number and I'm sure the topic today we have to go into a land concept and the planks in the decimal and numbers name of the suggestion using the decimal number and the demonstrate and the discussion a decimal is not a with the decimal is a point of like 1.5 0.6 3.14 etc there is no the left of the decimal is an ordinary the situation in the 1 by 10 1 by 4 0.6 reading of the situations এবং activity is the fundamental concept multiplication of the decimal while the finding 0.1 to 0.4, 0.2, you should notice that the multiply the decimal all the whole ignoring the 0.1 to find in the situation and you take the 0.4, 0.2 answer the question respectively. Discussion on the topic, there is asking the student few of the question, estimate their the knowledge on this topic. Conclusion, student to the how to see in the multiplication of decimal line the when the given in the classroom. Micro teaching feature valuable information on the teachers and fraction decimal ration division 45 minute এবং understanding the situation in the contents will be able to understand the division decimal number and able to student introduction the objective preconcept as to answer the situation all the multiplication to do the division of the announcement of the topic. Today we will discuss about the topic is called the topic in decimal demonstrate the discussion. A decimal is the front of the situation like the 1.5, 0.6, 3.1 for the number of the decimal in the ordinary which are lots of 1% and the decimal of the situations and the figure of the division of the decimal now the situation is 1 by 2, 64 by 2 into 10 and this into also 2, 4 by 2 and the 1 by 2 the 32 এবং discussion of the topic the teacher will ask the few question, estimate the few and the rock is diverted the distance of the speeds of through its very true structures এবং distance by the truck in the 92.5 km 2.5 hours, so distance is 92.5 to the 96 km এবং conclusion the student today is you have to discuss the everyday decimal also they are asked the free problem of the micro teaching lesson plan pedagogy 8 April 9 information teacher the subject is mathematics class which is unit simple quick question topic simple equation 45 minute এবং understanding the content students will understand the concept of the simple beautiful introduction the objectives and concept in the good morning students we have the same this equation announcement. We are going to learn about the topic demonstration for the belonging. It's a reading subtracted same on the topic and multiply the both side activities. What are the happening is the whole of the leg and it's a side and it's a fan of the balance in the situations today. So discussion the teacher will be students with the knowledge of huge also fiction the total for two sections total exagel 35 6 by 6 into 3 by 2 6 into 6 is 18 conclude the students today we have to see the concept of simple including the examples also the enclosed room enclosed relational production the ratio proportional percentage 45 minutes okay. The content and the students should understand the percentage of the situation steps content introduction the objectives among the good morning students will children the examples are the meta get a grade now do you want the situation got the announcement of the topic in the about in the called of the percentage among the world percentage mean the every 100 and the reading and the 100 and on the topic percentage and symbol is the percentage of the activity 1% can also be the change and the 1 by 1 by 1 by the concept of also and the discussion of the teacher will ask the students will fill the question and the general topic the first one had to write a cotton in this year among who has more percentage than in the cotton students and we have to see in the few problems among mathematics objective plan exercise and teachers and এবং mathematics ratio proportional profit loss 45 minute এবং understanding student will be able to understand the concept এবং for example BBW TLM এবং step concept and documents that till now is actually we are going to learn the topic about profit loss and demonstrations এবং reading of the features of the situation name of the topic profit loss এবং ଏପରି ଭାବରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର discussion on the topic teacher will be asked in the estimate in the help of the topic few examples are for question a man sold to cycle and 300 gains on the less of the situations এবং SP 3000 gains the 20% এবং cycle is flat to 20% the 20% is the 25 फसल the basic page called roll down energy the students will also they have to students the situation to macro teaching होची कोन explain exercise एपरि प्लेना सॉल्यूशन प्रदान से एथेडिजन knowing of the number learning of the diamond 45 minutes से एपरि आपण understanding the content understand the situation of the BBW work the work of the situation now the every announcement of the topic and demonstrate doctor the name of the lesson से एपरि आर के years consistent situation of the here activity होची कोन understand the concept discussed on the topic few example we are going to write now words quantity is brought about the teacher will asking the student few of the question let's say a hotel is a 15 liter 25 liter can comes of the milk and the solution is quantitative window jar 25 black and board and number of the situation t number of the cups on the area 600 cups and solution run scoring test matches in the 15 0 30 the death এবং আর তেন্ডুলকর is a famous cricket player has no fans scored and from the study test in the matches for the 2 hunger cricket. What is the total number scored by him in the both of the type of the matches? Conclusion of the students today will learn about the where is down daily situation, macro teaching, name of the student, teacher, sonal subject in the mathematics class unit, playing the topic in the time 40 minutes. Understanding the contents, students will be able to understand the concept divisible to 2 or 3 examples. Steps content as objective. Good morning students. Children the process checking the whether is divisible by the another it leaves. Understand the divisible by the given number without the actual either division. Better the for situation in the assignments on topic we are going to able the situation of the among social topic blackboard vocabulary research reading of the situation for the letters to well that was what is the situation is the 9 divisible by the through discussion the teacher will assess of equals na are either 95 953 9534 452 solution is a very divisible by not divisible by 2 among 4 by 2 is a very situation of the here among the students today will have to the divisibility 2 or 3 rules with a few examples. Micro listing lesson plan X triple I preliminary information nijo na likhiyo sunani subject mathematics class VI rank unit playing with number topic visualization time hoji 45 minutes এবং understanding the understanding understanding the content and the students will able to consider usually by 2 5 and 10 in the introduction the objective announcement topic demonstration discussion. Good morning children we have to already check out noise the divisible by 2 we are going to discuss about the divisible by 5 and divisible by 5 there is number of digit and 5 10 name of the topic divisible by 10 5 to 10 100 etc. among divisible by the name of the division 0 10 to 30 activity for the understanding the concept. Let us the concept is 9 other situation on this 5 remainder which not is divisible by 5. Let us the consider of the contact এবং সেই পুরারে আপনাদের discuss the few example the teacher will be asking the students এবং the whether the below 5 7 8 6 2 5 7 8 5 8 and the one of the situation other and the conclusion students will today will have to able to 5 to 10 number of few examples macro teaching preliminary information এবং emoji school teacher sonal finance observation mathematics class activity pro life non সেই পুরা topic in the time হচ্ছে 45 minutes এবং এটি among the understanding the self which student will be able to they understand the steps of the concept with the examples এবং steps content teacher activity BBW TLM introduction objective pre concept. Good morning students children having the already divisible by the 9 on 9 announcement of the topic we have good discuss about visualize 6 and 9 of the topic visualize 6 and 9 demonstration of the reading of the visualize 6 and 9 the visual 6 and 9 divisibility by the given to add the divisible by 9 given to 2 and 3 the number of the divisible by 6 also given is number of 18 81 and activities in the consonantal if you know the person mention 2 and 3 is already divisible by 9 is the sum of digit and the 9 it is a 6 and divisible and 1 out of the 9. Discussion of the topic there will be students will be on the topic and you few examples and other check other 25 divisible solution there is a number the last is 2 for visual 6 in 19 180 plus 9 check the divisible and in conclusion students today we have to 6 and 9 and the few examples it is under micro teaching lesson plan XB micro information name of the students subject class video unit play the topic when finding timing hoji 45 minutes emoji understanding the content students will be able to understand the content as example steps on contact teaching learning activity learning introduction the objectives announcement of the topic. Good morning children till now factor is number of children today we have to discuss the given name of the topic is number of action demonstration এবং discussion the highest 2 or 3 number activity is 12 number is 19 factors are number is 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 number is 18 and 3 4 6 19 discussion of the topic will be asked in the topic few examples the step is 12 13 36 solution এবং the factors are 12 2 এবং এটা আপন লস আউ দেখি পারথিবে 12 2 দুনে 4 3 bar it is goes out and total loss of the factor as repeating the 2 is of factorization is of factorization कराई 2 into 3 into 5 into 36 रोजी 3 हल bar दे 3 4 2 हल 2 2 होते हैं कहते हैं ये तो common factor the factors for the 12 30 is 2 into 3 is 6 conclusion कौन सी ना conclusion है जो student today we have to discuss the scene of the given number situation micro teaching lesson plan 16 जोड़ा क्या हो जो preliminary information नेम तो नीचे ना लिखी हुआ है subject है जो mathematics लिखी हुआ है class हो जो BWI unit है जो playing with the number topic हो जो LCM given number time हो जो 45 minutes ଏହିପରି ଭାବରେ ଆପଣ understanding the content of the students able to understand the contents introduction the general announcement the demonstration good morning the student possible are the using the lowest common question and the given situations you have to arrange and the activities the number of 12 15 and the 12 15 and the 12 13 and the 3 into 5 in the factorization and the LCM discussion on the topic rule of the estimate there and the knowledge to better have in the interval of the situation in the first season 6 9 12 13 20 25 24 lessons micro teaching lesson plan होची कोन सोना से पूरा हर भी integration 45 minutes एवं से पूरा हर अपन aims understanding the contact students will be able to understand the concept of a few example the introduction of the pre-concept announcement of the topic good morning student 1 2 3 4 even also the integer name of the topic of the integers एवं এই पूरा 1 2 3 4 integers एवं activities country number of section एवं class 6 in the understanding the situation the discussion on the topic teacher will ask the students 1 2 3 4 minus a few of the examples finding on the C and minus and conclusion students have the few of the examples एवं micro teaching lesson plan 18 होची lesson plan student class video unit integer 45 minutes এই पूरा आपनकर एगला होची आपन understanding the concept will be understand the concept able to understand the few example and the introduction of the suggestion good morning the students and its possibilities announcement of the topic it's able to situation of the situation you have to adjust on substance match software এবং এই পরি ভাবে আপন conclusion the student today you have to address an subtraction in the integers of the example simplify the situation simply the subtract simplify the condition minus 6 from each solution minus 6 is equal to 13 minus 19 minus 7 simplify the minus 6 is equal to 24 এবং 25 जो 11 तेणु एपरी भाव में आपन लेसन प्लान 19 माइक्रो टीचिंग लेसन प्लान जोटा कि आपनकर निज ना लिखिबे कैपिटल लेखल रखिबे एवं मैथमेटिक्स भी डबल आई यूनिट 1 फैक्टराइजेशन टॉपिक टाइमिंग 45 मिनट एवं फ्रैक्शन एंड डेसिमल एंड एडिशन ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन एवं कोन लिखा जी ना एम्स अंडरस्टैंड द concept student will understand the example students introduction the pre-concept announcement of the topic and good morning students and announcement of the topics and of the situation integer now it will be the up to any other today we are going to about the additional decimal of the name of the topic and jota goes additional numbers demonstrations on the decimal of the numbers and a decimal number is an decimal point to the reacting like 1.5 0.6 3.14 the number of left decimal is an ordinary whole of the situation need to have the additional to the take a circle among additional 0.3 0.4 in the sequence of the situations and the now said the equal is now 0.4 in the content set 0.3 0.4 divided by 7 discussion on the topic teacher will be asked in the photo addition 3.6 5.360 এবং এইপরি ভাবে লেখা আছে আপনার বাই 100 প্লস 54 বাই 10 এন্ড এই যে আমি সেলা পরে আপনার 90500 9.00 বাই 9.00 subject conclusion of students are today the place of the examples of the situation methodology 3.64 এবং 5 3.64 5.9.04 তো lesson plan 20 जोटा होचे लास्ट लेसन प्लान এবং রহিলা এটা হচ্ছে প্রিলিমিনারি ইনফরমেশন আপন নিজ নাটি লিখবে এবং जोटा रहा आपणकर मैथमेटिक्स रही क्लास हूँ भी डबल आई फ्रैक्शन एंड डेसिमल यहीपर भाव लिखे एवं तापर हूँ आपणकर कौन लिखे ना आपणकर डेसिमल 45 मिनट टाइम आप देवे और ता सहित आप कौन अच्छी ना एम्स हूँ कौन अच्छी ना एम्स ये लिखा अच्छी आपणकर आपणकर एम्स जो रोचे आप स्टूडेंट्स विल एबल टू डेसिमल स्टूडेंट्स विल able to आपणकर इंट्रोडक्शन ऑब्जेक्टिव डेसिमल इन द सिचुएशंस एवं से पूरी भाव में आपणकर वी आर गोइंग टू लर्नर ऑफ द सिचुएशन एवं टॉपिक आपणकर रहिबो आपणकर नेम द टॉपिक एवं सब्सट्रैक्शन डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन आर द डेसिमल ऑफ द सिचुएशन एटसेट्रा 1.5 1.6 एवं आडिन ऑर्डिनरी ऑफ द होल ऑफ द सिचुएशन रेस्ट्रिक्शन 3.5 देयर द नंबर ऑफ द सिचुएशन तेणु एठी आपण सरी गला लास्ट पेज देखिबा लेसन प्लान 20 जोटा कि आपण मानकर होची आपणकर 6.2.8 3.5.7 2.2.1.3 discussion the topic teacher will be asking the students with question estimating the few example lesson subtracting from the situation 0 to 1.2 and conclusion students are concerned with the decimal in the fraction तेणु एठी सरी गला आपण मानकर आचार्य नागार्जुन यूनिवर्सिटी आंध्रा यूनिवर्सिटी योगिवेमना यूनिवर्सिटी रयलसीमा यूनिवर्सिटी विक्रमसिंहपुर यूनिवर्सिटी डॉक्टर B.Ed आंबेडकर यूनिवर्सिटी और श्री वेंकटेश्वर यूनिवर्सिटी आपण इंटर्नशिप मैथमेटिक्स संपूर्ण वीडियो आगामी दिन आंध्राकेश्वर यूनिवर्सिटी हम और यह इंटर्नशिप आपण रहा पेडागोजी ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स जो रही आपंकर गोटे मेथड सब्जेक्ट तार इंटर्नशिप थर्ड सेमिस्टर संपूर्ण वीडियोटी को आपने संपूर्ण भाव समस्ते लाइक करूँ चैनल को शेयर करूँ सब्सक्राइब करूँ पाखे बेल आइकन बटन क्लिक करूँ जहाँफल ब्रांड न्यू वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन आपने पाइपर तेणु यहाँ संपूर्ण भाव में आपर थर्ड सेमिस्टर इंटर्नशिप मैथमेटिक्स संपूर्ण वीडियो।